Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. I am Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, now I am going to take a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 6.1, question 19-20. These two questions I will solve today, and two questions 17 and 18 is given for your homework. Okay, dear students, let us start. Our first question is question 19. This question 19 and 20 means here some fractions are given in question 19 and in question 20 also some fractions given. We have to express these fractions into the fractions with common denominator. Express the given fractions into the fractions with common denominator. This type of problem we have solved in our previous class of this chapter. Okay, dear students, in the same process we will solve these two questions today. Let us start. This is our first question. Three fractions given here, so we can write the given fractions here. At first, a by a minus b, b by a plus b, and last one is c by a into a plus b. These three fractions are given. We have to express these fractions into the fractions with common denominator. The rules of expressing some fractions into the fractions with common denominator, at first we have to do the LCM of the denominators of the given fraction. To do the LCM, at first we have to factorize the denominators. So we can write denominator of first fraction. That is equal to given a minus b. We can factorize this. So this will remain same. Denominator of second fraction. Denominator of second fraction is a plus b. So we can factorize more, and the denominator of last fraction, denominator of third fraction is a into a plus b. This is also given in factorized form. So just we need to do the LCM of the denominators. Therefore, the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. This will be, at first I have to take the first one, then second one, a plus b, and here is a into a plus b. So at first we can take a into a minus b into a plus b. This is the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. Now the second rule is we have to divide the LCM by each denominator, and then we will get quotient in each case. We have to multiply both the numerators and denominators of respective fraction. It means that the fraction which will take, we have to multiply both the numerators and denominators of that fraction by the quotient. So I will not show the division, just I will write the first fraction now. In the last class I have shown the division. In this class I will not show. You can do the rough to do the division. First fraction. What is the first fraction here? First fraction is a by a minus b. Here the denominator of first fraction is a minus b. Now if we divide this LCM by a minus b, we will get quotient a into a plus b, a into a plus b. So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by a into a plus b, as this will be the quotient. If you divide, you will get this as quotient. So we can write multiplying. At first take a and multiply a minus b and a plus b. This will be a minus b into a plus b, means a square minus b square, and if we multiply here, we will get a square into a plus b. This is our first fraction. Then I will write the second fraction. Second fraction means b by a plus b. Now denominator of second fraction is a plus b. So if we divide the LCM by a plus b, we will get a into a minus b. We will get a into a minus b. These two factors we will get. So this will be the quotient. We need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the quotient. So we can write here a plus b, a into a minus b. So we will get the second fraction, that will be ab into a minus b in the numerator, and denominator will be at first a, and then apply the formula, that will be a square minus b square. This is our second fraction. Now I have to write the third fraction. What is the third fraction? Third fraction is c by a into a plus b. This is our third fraction given. Now I have to divide the LCM by the denominator of third fraction. Here denominator of third fraction is a into a plus b. So quotient will be only a minus b will be the quotient. If we divide, we will get the quotient only a minus b. So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by a minus b. It means that a into a plus b multiply by a minus b. If we multiply, we will get the third fraction. Now c into a minus b will be in the numerator, and if we multiply in the denominator, we will get a into a square minus b square. This question is very easy. Dear students, now see, first fraction, denominator of first fraction is a into a square minus b square. Denominator of second fraction is a into a square minus b square, and denominator of third fraction is a into a square minus b square. It means that the denominators of all these three fractions are same. It means that we have expressed the fractions into common denominator. We have expressed the fractions into common denominator. So we can write the answer now. This will be, therefore, the required fractions are What are the required fractions here? First one is a square into a plus b, a square into a plus b divided by a into a square minus b square. Second fraction is ab into a minus b, ab into a minus b by a into a square minus b square. And the third fraction means last fraction is c into a minus b, and here is a into a square minus b square. Dear students, now see, denominator of these three fractions are same. So this is our answer for question 19. Dear students, I hope you have understood our first question. Now I will solve second question. To solve second question, at first we have to write the given fractions. X square minus x minus 2 and another one is 3 by x square plus x minus 6. These two fractions are given. We need to express these two fractions into fractions with common denominator. To express this, at first we have to factorize the denominators of both fractions. So we can write denominator of first fraction. That is x square minus x minus 2. This is the denominator of first fraction. Dear students, now see, this is the middle term factorization. We can do this easily. Here factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So we can write here x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Now take x as common from first two term. You will get x minus 2. Then take plus 1 as common, you will get x minus 2. So you will get x minus 2 into x plus 1. This is our factorized form of first denominator and denominator of second fraction. Denominator of second fraction is x square plus x minus 6. X square plus x minus 6. To factorize this, we can do the middle term here. Factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So we can write this in this way: x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Now take x as common from first two term, you will get x plus 3, and take minus 2 as common, you will get x plus 3. Now x minus 2 and x plus 3, these two are the factors of x square plus x minus 6. Dear students, I have factorized both the denominators. Now I have to do the LCM of the denominator. So I can write therefore the LCM of the denominators. Denominators. What will be the LCM? Now see, my x minus 2 is common here, so we can take x minus 2 and then x minus 1 left, so write x minus 1, and here x minus 3 left, x plus 1 left, so x plus 1, and x plus 3 left, so write x plus 3. Dear students, I have done the LCM of the denominators. Now the second rule is we have to divide the LCM by each denominator. Then we will get the quotient. We need to multiply both the numerators and denominators by the quotient. So we can write the first fraction here. First fraction. I will write the first fraction 2 into x square minus x minus 2. So we can write this in this way: x minus 2 and x plus 1. We can express denominator in this way. Now we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the quotient if we divide the LCM by the denominator. Here x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 1. So x plus 3 will be the quotient if we divide. I will not show the division. You can do the rough if you want. Now I have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by x plus 3. So we can write here x minus 2, x plus 1, and multiply by x plus 3. So our required answer for first fraction is 2 into x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 3. This is the first fraction, and the second fraction I have to write now. And second fraction, is 3 divided by x square plus x minus 6. This is our second fraction. We can express this in this way: x plus x minus 2 into x plus 3. So we can multiply now both the numerators and denominators by the quotient. If we divide the LCM by the denominator here, if we divide, x minus 2 and x plus 3 will vanishes, only x plus 1 will be the quotient if we divide by the denominator of second fraction. So we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by x plus 1. So we have to write 3 into x plus 1, and here we have to write x minus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 1. Dear students, now if we multiply, we will get here 3 into x plus 1, and here we will get x minus 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 3. Dear students, this is the second fraction. Now observe the first fraction and second fraction. Here the denominator of first fraction and denominator of second fractions are same. So I can say I have expressed both the fractions into common denominator. So we can say the required answer for question 20 is, therefore the required fractions are what are the required fractions? First fraction is 2 into x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 3. This is our first fraction, and the second fraction is 3 into x plus 1 and divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 3. Dear students, I have completed the second question also. I hope you have understood today's lecture. I have given 2 questions for your homework. Your homework 18, I have given 2 questions from exercise 6.1, question 17 and 18. Do this question as your homework. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.